Hello everyone, I'm Dana here. Welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade tortillas with just a few simple ingredients. So let's get started.
We need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 40 grams of unsalted butter, 1.5 teaspoon of milk powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. We are going to mix the dry ingredients together. Add milk powder, baking powder and salt. Mix them all together using your hands. Then add the room temperature butter and mix well until it comes to sandy consistency. Then start adding hot water little by little. Be careful of your hands as the water is pretty warm. Mix them really well until the flour mixture forms a ball. At this moment, our flour mixture is quite sticky. Knead this for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes non-sticky to your hands. Pinch off small balls of the dough and set aside. Roll all these until they are smooth. We need to make sure they are not touching each other when we are placing them for resting. I was able to make 9 small dough balls out of 3 cups of flour. Cover these well with a cling wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. We are ready to make tortillas. Flour the work surface to avoid sticking. Gently pat and rotate the tortillas as we are looking for a really thin layer. Dust the flour as you need and continue rolling the tortillas. Preheat the non-stick pan to medium heat and once the pan is warm, add the tortillas. When the tortillas getting cooked, you will see the air bubbles popping out. Gently press them and flip them as needed. Cooking process is really fast as these tortillas doesn't take a very long time to cook. Once you take the hot tortillas out, we need to stack them in a dry kitchen towel to stay soft and moist. This is very important to avoid drying out our tortillas. Our tortillas are ready now. These are great to make wraps, quesadillas, and choices are endless. You can keep them in the fridge in a freezer bag for a couple of weeks. Reheat them and they will be as good as freshly made ones. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you next time.